Hi Momenters, hi viewers, there is a brand new housing development coming to Old Harbour, St. Catherine, and the application process opens tomorrow, September 26, 2022 at, they didn't specify a time, but I figure more or less it will be 8:30 a.m. in the morning. But for those of you guys who are extremely eager, you can actually log in at 12 a.m. to see if as soon as the clock strikes, you can actually apply for your brand new home. But before we jump into all the details, I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today, and a extra special thanks to the over 21,500 of you guys who decided to smash that subscribe button and support my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. But enough of the chattings, man, no one ready for the video. When ready? Run me intro. Alright, so quick channel update before we move on. I don't know if you guys had watched my last video, but in that video I had mentioned that my batteries that I used to do the property tours for you guys got destroyed, so my camera is without a battery right now, and I'm still waiting on those batteries to come from, apparently, from the other side of the world at this point. However, they are scheduled to arrive in the island tomorrow, so I should get them within the week, which means that I can go out on Saturday or Sunday and shoot some brand new property tours for you guys, fingers crossed. Another significant happening is that my graphic designer, who does 99.9% of the graphics that you see on this channel here, her family home got burnt down very recently. I am just now knowing about it just today, and she sounds so positive still, and that is what really even gave me the motivation to come on here and do this video for you guys tonight, because I have been a bit out of it since losing the functionality of my batteries. So I want to know if I should start a GoFundMe for her. I want to get your opinion if you think I should start a GoFundMe for her. I don't know what price point I would set it at yet. I would kind of try to discern that from her based on the damage, and then see what would be of assistance to her in terms of a total to assist in getting her family home rebuilt, or some form of assistance for them. And it's not just her, she actually doesn't own the home herself. It is their family, it is her and her parents and her siblings family home that got burnt. It's not 100% burnt down, but more than half of the home has been affected, and then there's also water damage from the firemen trying to out the fire. So comment it down below if you think I should start the GoFundMe for her, and if you would actually even provide her with some financial assistance. And even if you can provide her with financial assistance in these times, if you could leave a kind comment for her down in the comment section below, that would be great, and I would pull them together and show them to her, because she has no idea I'm even mentioning this on here. But I have this platform that is designated towards real estate, and it just so happens that it's so sad that her house got burnt down, but I think that it falls into this whole real estate niche that I cater to, and I just think that it would be of a huge significance to her, even if it's just a kind word and not a financial donation. I think that would be something beneficial to uplifting her spirits. So if you can, guys, just comment down below and tell me what you think. Alright, Whim Estates will be located in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, and it will be a gated community made up of 876 standalone homes with an array of supporting amenities when completed. It also gives easy access in both the east and the west directions to Highway 2000. But yes, let's jump into what you're actually here for today, and that is to speak about the application process for Whim Estates. Now, for Whim Estates to apply, you will need a valid ID, and that can come by way of passport, national ID, driver's license. You will also be required to have your tax registration number or your TRN, which for our overseas clientele or the overseas applicants and non-nationals, you can apply for a TRN at any Jamaica tax office. You're also required to have a NIS number for the NHD mortgage applicants. There's also a requirement for a original birth certificate for NHD applicants and persons using national ID or driver's license. You'll also be required to have a letter of eligibility for NHT mortgage applicants or a pre-approval letter from a bank. There's also a need for a letter of hypothecation from a bank for cash applicants or letter of undertaking from an attorney. And I'm pretty sure I messed up that hypoth word, so please see with me. So that's the pre-approval or pre-application checklist that you will need to then utilize all of those information to apply for your home online tomorrow, September 26th. Now that we have your application documents in order, let's look at the two house styles that are available for purchase tomorrow. So first, you have a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home that has a square footage of 840 square feet and a whopping minimum 4,500 square feet lot size. And the starting price for these 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom homes is just $18 million. The 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom homes come with a size of 919 square feet and again sits on a minimum lot size of 4,500 square feet. Yes, I said it, 4,500 square feet, and they come in at a starting price of just $20,500,000. In addition, both the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom and the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom homes will come with high ceilings, chic and modern finishes with soft tone walls treated to add to its aesthetic. Not to mention, each unit comes with a solar water heater and fixtures to accommodate the installation of an air conditioning unit. I don't even have to tell you guys what air conditioning unit I would recommend. I'll leave you guys to comment that down in the comment section below. Comment it down below what air conditioning unit I would recommend. So what they're offering tomorrow, September 26, is the first 123 units in Block A, right? The portal will be closed after receiving the first 1,000 applications. The portal reopens October 26, 2022 for another 1,000 applicants, and this will continue monthly until phase 1 is sold out. So if you want one of them houses, yeah, jump on it as soon as possible. An additional point to note is that they do have service lots available there as well. I don't know if, well, based on what they stated on their website, this won't be available via the application portal that will be open tomorrow, but I'm pretty sure you can call them at 876-983-1305 or 876-529-4411 and ask them about the service lots, and they actually have a minimum size of 4,500 square feet as well. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Don't forget to log in tomorrow and apply. Even if you're not sure if you want one right now, it's better to apply and then turn on the application after you get through than to rest on your laurels and say, I wonder if I want it, I wonder if I don't want it, and then they end up passing you and you regret it. All right, so apply. Also, comment down below and let me know what you actually think of these Whim estate homes. Do you like the value that you see that you're getting for your money? Because I'm gonna put a few pictures and stuff in the video that you would have seen by now. Just let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment sections below, and of course, like always, I will interact with you guys in the comments. And thanks for sticking it out with me. Even though I haven't been posting, you guys have still been watching the videos and still have been showing me support, and I'm extremely grateful and thankful for each and every one of you guys who has taken the time out to watch even 1 minute of 1 second of any one of my videos. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm out here trying to do by the end of 2022. And all you have to do to support me is to like this video and to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. But that has been enough from me, AB, signing out.